Yo, what is going on, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. It may seem like I have a little more energy today because we finally got what we've been waiting for from Poland to complete the interior of my race car Miata. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like 40 plus days, I think. With everything going on and trying to ship internationally is really difficult right now. But we finally got it. I'm super excited. When I open it, you can get my first reactions and I'll tell you a little bit else what's going on because this is just the start of this episode. Okay, so as I'm sure you guys know, trying to order anything car related right now is crazy difficult because it's not essential and they're still holding tons of shipped items and whatnot as, you know, last resorts. So stuff like this, first of all, took forever to get shipped and delivered. They had a handling fee, they have all kinds of other fees, but there's like one of two websites I can get this specific steering wheel from. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in person. It is probably one of the most expensive steering wheels you can purchase, especially from this brand. And it's definitely the most expensive SPARCO item in my car that I paid for. I got the harnesses used, but they're still in great condition. And then I got a really good deal on the seat. Boy, that was also brand new, but this I had to pay full price because this is an absolute unit. Oh my God! Oh, I can already see the red. I don't know if you guys know this, if you've been following the channel or not. I do have red SPARCO toe straps, so I wanted to get a little pop of flavor. Oh, you guys don't like this. Oh. That is amazing. So the reason I had to get it from this specific website, if you try to get this steering wheel through Amazon, it doesn't have the stitched in red stripe right here, the racing stripe that tells you kind of like where your center is. And it did not have the red stitching, and I have got to say that was worth the wait. The only thing it did come with was the red steering wheel button, but everything else was black, and it was the exact same price. I probably should have got this through SPARCO and paid the extra like $10 or whatever it was. Oh my God, this looks so good. Okay, so this is obviously, you have to stick this onto the steering wheel. Ooh, fits in real tight. Oh my God, it looks so good. This is super lightweight. Oh man, that feels so good in my hands. It's got a nice 9'3", great wraparound for your thumb, or you can go a little higher. It's got the bolstering there. Reminds me a lot of the Focus steering wheel, actually. This is absolutely beautiful, made in Italy, 10 of 19. Oh, it even smells like fresh leather. I'm so excited, I'm sorry. We're gonna get this thing installed and we'll do kind of like a compare and contrast between the two steering wheels. I'm gonna pull it out first and switch all the bolts and the hub and everything over. Okay, so first off, I wanna say the steering wheel that I've been driving with is the cheapest little piece of crap I think I've ever purchased for a vehicle. It got the job done and I'm actually really impressed. I didn't die with it. This is gonna be a good backup to keep if we ever decide to sell the car because the steering wheel is 10 times the price of what I paid for this. It's called a SPARCO Champion R383. You have to option it out with the stitching if you want it. Otherwise it comes in all black. But it has like 40mm dish, where this has like 3 3/4 inch dish. It was sitting a little close to me. It was kind of like a NASCAR style seating. It was really close to my face. I mean, I basically had to drive like this, where with that wheel I can kind of get the little space I need where it's not so obnoxiously in my grill. So I'm gonna enjoy that. And it also will match it's just gonna tie everything together. It's gonna look so good, I cannot wait. Boy, look at that. Oh my God. That looks so good. I cannot wait to use this thing. Let's see how it looks in here. I know it's really hard to see in here. Man, that is a nice looking steering wheel in here. Good Lord, I'm so happy about that. This thing gives me a ton of legroom now, and it sits exactly where I need it to be. This is gonna be huge. I'm so excited about that. Looks good with the steering wheel, with the toe straps, and you got the seats, and you got the harnesses, man. Just sponsor me now, SPARCO, please. Actually, I don't know what else I could buy from you. I kind of have everything except for a fire suit. I could use a fire suit. But like I was telling you guys before, this is not all we have for today. We're gonna go inside now because it is raining and we are gonna jump on the simulator because I got something new for that too. All right, guys, now we're heading down to the basement where the simulator is, and let's just take a look and just appreciate this bar I built. I'm not gonna go into details about this, but this probably cost us about half of what it would if we had a contractor, and I did Well, I mean, between me, my wife, her brother, and her mom, and everybody else who was involved, this thing turned out amazing. So that's the bar. But over here at the simulator, we have got ourselves a new toy. And I cannot wait to show you guys how well this thing works and how it does in action. That is an Amazon special, my favorites. It is a hydro. For those of you who are into drifting, you'll know what a hydro is, but it's a USB hydro that plugs into your simulator. On Amazon, they're about $100. And as you can see, it's not actually hydraulic powered, it's just spring powered, which gives you the same realistic feel with the resistance and everything without spending all that money for something that could leak or could cause an issue while you're using it on a simulator, you know, in your house, in your basement, wherever it may be. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit what that thing's like, and then I got even bigger news than that. Okay, now that, first of all, I have you guys in super view, so it is crazy, crazy wide angle. You can see everything. I'm only like a foot and a half away from the camera, just testing it out, probably seeing how it looks, but that way you guys can see the screen, you can see my face, you can kind of see everything without having two cameras. So if this actually works out really well, I may or may not use this for when I go to the track, depending on where I can mount it and what I can do with it. But yeah, so we are playing on a Assetto Corsa right now. I'm in a Mark IV Drift Spec Supra. I'm gonna put the turbo all the way up. It's on the Drift course, if you guys are familiar with that, who play with the Assetto Corsa. If you guys want to know more about this sim setup, if you're just clicking on it for the first time, check out my other videos. This should be like part 4 of my simulator build. I did build this whole structure from scratch and just have store-bought parts. But as you can see, there is a full adjustability with this hydraulic e-brake. Basically, as far as you pull it, is as strong and as sensitive as it will be when you're using it. The benefit of it, if you're coming in to a turn hot and you want that extra distance while you have that angle, you can use the hydro and allow yourself to come into a turn earlier and maintain that angle all the way into the turn. So this is better for like high-powered cars, or if you just don't want to worry about clutch kicking it, and you just... I'm not very good at talking and driving. I'm good at either one of them, but not both combined. It's kind of a learning curve. It's just one more thing to make it feel a little more realistic, like an actual car. It's just another element to make you feel like you're more inside of a real vehicle as opposed to just a game. It adds another realistic element to it. So I really do enjoy it. I think it feels very nice for the $109 with free shipping from Amazon. I love it. It's all aluminum with all aluminum hardware. It's fully adjustable no matter how high or short you want it. You can basically do anything with it. I've only had it for a couple of days. I've been really busy trying to get the house together because here's the big news. We're selling the house. By the time this video goes up, it should already be on the market. We weren't really planning on buying a new home. However, something came up. The market's right. We can make money on our home. We can make money on the home we're buying. And you gotta, when opportunities like that pop up, you gotta invest and you gotta jump on a situation. You can't think about it. You think about it too long, that opportunity will disappear. Go with your gut when you find something and jump on it, and don't look back, because it'll be gone before you know it and you'll miss your opportunity. If you don't take risks, you will never grow as a person. Look at me getting all serious at you guys all of a sudden. You gotta take risks. Don't listen to what Homer Simpson said, trying is the first step towards failure, but if you don't try and learn from your failures, you'll never learn and you'll never grow. So, it's really hard for me to talk and drive well, so I'm gonna switch cars. So anyways, while this is loading, because I feel like I wasn't able to tell you guys, yes, we are selling this place. It really sucks. We just finally got everything together. The bar looks beautiful. I've been working on that for 9 months, if not almost close to a year. I feel like we're just starting to get used to this place, but I feel like we're also starting to outgrow it a little bit. I know it's weird saying because it's just the two of us, but if we want to have kids eventually and we want to expand, we definitely need a bigger house. And I think you guys are going to like it. I don't want to spoil too much, but I'm sure you can probably guess where I'm going at. There's more garage spaces, and there's more garages. So you guys will like that. I have a lot more driveway space. There's more square footage. We don't have a basement, but there is a crawl space. There's a large, huge backyard. There's a loft where you will see this setup at, and there's a lot more room for me to expand with the channel. I have a lot more garage space, and you guys are gonna, I hope you guys like it because I am obsessed with it. My wife was trying to sell me on the house, and I was like, before I even saw it, I was like, nope, not happening. And then I saw the garage, and I was like, wow, that is, okay, I want this place. And then I saw the other garage, and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. I can have all of my other items in the back in the other garage, and then I can just have straight up car stuff in the big garage. But I don't want to get too much into that. That'll be for a different video whenever we do get the place. Hey doggo, come here. You like it? You like when I'm on the simulator? So yeah, I'm playing on the Shitoku Revival Project map right now. I don't know if you guys have attempted to get into that or not. In Assetto Corsa, it is insane. If you love your Japanese cars and midnight driving on the freeways and that typical Japanese culture, it is 100% what you want. It's a lot of work, and you gotta find the Discord through the Facebook page. But that's all I'm going to tell you. You can figure it out from there. It's a lot of work. They explain you step by step. If you're not super familiar with it, do it. It's worth it. But I think with everything going on right now, I am going to create a buyer's guide for building a simulator. Whether it be you want to do DIY, or you have the money for something better, or you want to go cheaper than that. There's tons of options, and I'm going to create one for you guys next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Steering wheel. I'm crashing! Ah! I was super excited to get that steering wheel. It looks amazing in that car. Totally finishes the interior, makes it look quality in a Miata, which I feel like is pretty hard to do. But if you guys see it in person, you get to when I'm cruising Woodward or going to car shows. If we have any this year, I hope you guys get to see it and enjoy it, because I know I love it and I can't wait to drive it. But that's going to conclude today's video. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Remember, I have new videos every single Wednesday at noon. Please subscribe if you can. We're starting to climb in subscribers, and it feels good. It feels like I'm doing something and there's an outcome that is positive based on my videos that I'm making, and it sounds like you guys are actually enjoying the videos. So thank you very much. Peace out, and keep turning those gears. All right, now that the video's over with. Oh wait, I got the boost turned all the way down. Okay, here we go.